A walk along the magnicent trail, long deserted beaches, steep climbs, and a magnificent ridge. This is John and Fern. Welcome back to episode 2 of DJ's Best 5 Hong Kong Hikes. I'm George. Where are we here today?
We're in the beautiful Sai Kung Country Park. We're going to go up Sharp Peak today. Up a notch from last week. It's going to be a little bit tougher. A couple of mountains for George to see if he can get up.
I'm really looking forward to it. Also, a big shout out to Kylos. Thank you for the clothing. We really love it. And let's go now. In this series of John and Fern, DJ is revisiting his 5 best walks in Hong Kong. Although some have called it a concrete jungle, Hong Kong actually has abundant hiking trails through the mountains that surround the city, covering about 60% of the total land area. If you haven't been on a hike in Hong Kong, you have missed what we feel is the best part of the city. In the second episode, we start with a short taxi ride from Sai Kung to the Sai Wan Pavilion and then head up to Lok Day Tun. Before hitting our first beach at Sai Wan, just a few kilometers into the walk, wait, who let the cows out?
Little babies. George is taking selfies with the cow. So there she is, Sharp Peak.
Are we going to climb up there? Are you serious?
Be up there in about an hour, I think. There she is.
Oh my god!
Right up there in the clouds.
From Sai Wan, we join the magnicent trail and head over the headland to the long stretches of sand at Ham Tin and Dai Long Wan. From here, it's a steep climb up to Sha Peak.
I gotta say, I put this down as a level 2, but maybe should go up a notch. It is a bit of a steep climb and quite technical at parts to get up Sharp Peak. George, as you may be able to see, is way down there, struggling a little bit, but all the same, it's a great day and some fantastic views from one of my favourite places in Hong Kong.
While I'm falling far behind and struggling to catch up, I work out the reason why DJ is climbing so fast. The only reason why you're faster than me is because you have 13 years more of experience than me. So I challenge you 20 years later when you are 80s. I challenge you again.
George, okay, challenge is on. So George, I just need you to imagine fantastic views down over lakes and out to the sea, beautiful beaches behind us. What a view.
Yeah, truly amazing, truly amazing.
We can't see anything. How's it been for you? We're at the top now, so that's the only real climb we're going to do today. Going to go back down, we're going to do a loop around a ridge. Easy climb?
Really tough, to be honest. I have to admit, DJ, you are better than me. As an old man, you're better than me.
It's not a competition, George. We're out for a hike. Okay, we're going to go around the ridge, back down. We've done so far about 7.5 kilometers. I think it's going to be about 15 kilometers all told by the time we get back.
Let's keep going.
Keep going.
On the way down, we take the ridge along to Mai Fun Dan, which affords some awesome views across the country park once we drop below the clouds. It's a steep hike down along steep slopes that are easy to slip on. Be sure to have good shoes. Once down, we join the same path back to Ham Tin Beach, and then the coastal path back to the pavilion. If it's a calm day, you can grab a speedboat from Ham Tin or Sai Wan directly back to Sai Kung. But if you come on a windy day like we did, then you have to go the tough way.
Right, extra challenge for George. We're coming up the steps here and he's got this to get past. George,
Oh, okay, just jump on it.
careful it doesn't kick you.
Friend, we're friends. By the time we finished the trail, the day had turned into night. Okay, so we have finally finished the trail. So difficult.
It was a little harder than I expected, I've got to admit, George, but you did fantastically well. You kept going and we did a nice little sprint at the end. It's gone dark, but we've had a fantastic time.
Yeah, it is. And it's a bit unlucky today because it's quite foggy today, so we missed out the view up there at the peak. But the experience was really, really great.
Fantastic. Yeah. Now I'm going to do it because he hasn't done it. If you like this show, please like and subscribe wherever you watch this show. So you're going to get to see George and occasionally me popping in here and there. My name's DJ Clark.
I'm George.
And this is Drone and Phone.
DJ is lost again and he's looking at his Google map.
I'm not lost. I know exactly where I am, George. I'm just double checking